Alright, gotta make this quick because I only got a couple minutes left. Somehow I went ahead and reinstalled the mass airflow sensor in the correct way. You'll see an arrow pointing the direction of airflow, so your filter is, it's sucking it up, and it'll go through your air filter, and then the air will come through your sensor all the way through this way. So reinstalled that, and I reinstalled it the correct way. I thought I messed something up, and I gotta hurry. There was one test that I wanted to try before plugging it back up. I've seen somebody do this on YouTube, and he was testing to see if the airflow sensor was good. And since my truck's running a little crappy, I want to try to crank it before plugging back my airflow sensor and see if that makes any difference. Hopefully I don't screw anything up. Let's see. No, that does not make a difference. So I know by that my problem is not going to be with this airflow sensor, so that should be good. Right now I'm just plugging it back in, and put your clip back in, and we will try with the next diagnostic thing. Well, next thing we're going to try is put it back in the correct way. That would help. Next thing we're going to try is replacing the oxygen sensors to see if it runs any better. And I would go into more detail of how it's running and show you, but I'm about to run out of space on my phone. So I will try to clear off my phone, and I'll see you in the next video.